Hamas has to be dismantled because of what it did on October 7th, then if you take Operation Cast Lead, Operation Pillar of Defense, Operation Protective Edge, then the Israeli government has to be dismantled 10 times over.
I follow you, but it's not really an answer to the question.
Oh, it is an answer to the question.
Because
it's called keeping a single standard.
No, it's
You want to
No,
you want to talk about the 290 Israeli hostages? I say fine. But then let's talk about the 2,300,000
Hamas has
Gazans.
hold-
Hold everyone to a single standard. Number two.
should both governments? What do you mean Israeli? What do you mean by
I'm
dismantling the
saying
Israeli government? Election?
if you want to decide that Hamas has to be dismantled because of what it did on October 7th, I say fine. But then the Israeli government has to also be dismantled because for 20 years it's kept the whole population confined in a concentration
I don't
camp
understand.
and periodically
I get you.
and periodically mows
Professor,
the lawn.
okay,
It mows the lawn.